You have a Dyson V10 or V11 and the bin keeps shooting off every time you empty it. We're here to solve the problem today. Now the bin runner is this part here, and what's happened is the end of it, where this small catch is supposed to stop, has disappeared. So yeah, your bin is just shooting off everywhere. So now I'm going to show you how to replace the bin runner. I'm going to do it as quickly as I can for you. Firstly, we remove the battery. There are 2 screws underneath and then a screw around the back. These are just cross-headed screws. I'm going to take these out now. Then we need to remove the filter. Now we have 2 screws, 1 on each side of the bin runner, and then we have 4 that go around the vacuum cleaner from the back. And we're just going to undo all of those now. If you need to buy a bin runner, please see the link in the description. Now we need to pull the cyclone off the vacuum cleaner. If this doesn't pull off very easy, you've not done a very good job with your screws. We'll put the vacuum cleaner to one side, and now we need to just take the bin runner off the cyclone. There's one small screw just inside, and it's a torque screw, and it's a T8 size that you need. Obviously, they're not in that hard. If you've got a very small flat-headed screwdriver, you might just get away with it. We are now going to slip on the new bin runner, and we're going to do up the little torque screw that we've just undone, and then guess what, we're just going to put everything back in reverse order. I'm going to speed this up again just so you don't die of boredom. Remember to put your battery back on or your vacuum cleaner won't work. Also remember to put your filter back on or your vacuum cleaner won't work. Now we have completed the repair. So now, when you remove the bin by sliding the red tab, it will stop where it's supposed to. So if you don't want to take the bin off, you don't have to. However, if you want to take the bin off, you can press the tab now and release it as you normally would. And that is everything. The video is complete. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a lovely big like. Say something nice in the comments. Don't say anything horrible. I'm fed up of it.